Hi, I'm Ian Stewart, and I'd like to welcome you to our online edX course on effective field theory. So this course will be a bit different than one you might take in a classroom. You'll still be watching lectures of me in front of a blackboard, but there'll be videos. And you'll still have homework, but there'll be online homework problems that you carry out with the edX format. And those problems will be things where you get immediate feedback, so it'll be a bit different than turning in a problem set and having it graded. There's also going to be opportunities, even though this is online, to interact with your fellow students through discussion forums and other means, and I really encourage you all to use those. So the prerequisite for the material we'll cover in this course is quantum field theory. So if you've taken a course in quantum field theory, a graduate course at your university, then you should be all set. Or if you've studied material at the level of Peskin and Schroeder or Schrindicke, then that should prepare you for the material we'll cover in this course. So things like the beta function of QCD and the quantum field theory that describes the standard model are things that I'm going to assume you have some background in. I'll also provide you with some reading resources of my own for you to look at and review this material. So if you're not familiar with it or it's been a while, that should help you to get up to speed. So we have in mind that there's two different types of people that will be interested in taking the course. There's the student who will be interested in taking the course modules in order, following the material in the way it's laid out, doing the problems, and working their way towards earning an edX certificate. But there also will be researchers out there who are interested in using this material as an online resource, and you may want to jump around from module to module and not look at all the modules or do any of the problems. And both of these methods of using the course material are perfectly acceptable. Most often when you're looking at the course materials, you'll see me in front of the blackboard rather than sitting here talking to you. And in fact, you'll also get a chance to teach your fellow students about some aspect of effective field theory that you're interested in, since there will be a